Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 7, Chapter 9, Shloka number 24. Please give me the association of your devotee. Please give me the association of your devotee. This is a wonderful prayer offered by Prahlad Maharaj to the Supreme Lord Narasimha Dev. Tasman amustanubhrutam ahamashisogna Tasmadamustanubhrutam ahamashishogna Tasmadamustanubhrutam ahamashishogna Ayuh shriyam vibhavam endriyam Avirinchat 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 Nechamite vilulitan uruvikramena Nechamite vilulitan uruvikramena Kalatmanopanaya mam nijabhrutya parshvam Kalatmanopanaya mam nijabhrutya parshvam Tasmadamustanubhrutam ahamashishogna Tasmadamustanubhrutam ahamashishogna Ayuh shriyam vibhavam endriyam avirinchat Ayuh shriyam vibhavam endriyam avirinchat Nechamite vilulitan uruvikramena Nechamite vilulitan uruvikramena Kalatmanopanaya mam nijabhrutya parshvam Kalatmanopanaya mam nijabhrutya parshvam. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. My dear Lord, now I have complete experience concerning the worldly opulence, mystic power, longevity, and other material pleasures enjoyed by all living entities, from the Lord Brahma down to the ant. As powerful time you destroy them all. As powerful time you destroy them all. Therefore, because of my experience, I do not wish to possess them. Therefore, because of my experience, I do not wish to possess them. My dear Lord, I request you to place me in touch with your pure devotee and let me serve him as a sincere servant. Let me serve him as a sincere servant. तस्मादमुस्तनुभृताम् महमाशिषोऽग्ना आयुः श्रियम् विभवमैन्द्रियमाविरिञ्चात् निच्चामि ते विलुलितान्नुरुविक्रमेण कालात्मनोपनयमाम् निजभृत्यपार्श्वम् निजभृत्यपार्श्वम्. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.